Hi, how are you? What you value the most in your everyday work? I know this sounds a bit like lifestyle coaching questions, but I'd like to tell you what is the most important to me. It is a comfort of cooperation with the best suppliers. For sure, such products are Atlantis abutments. Designing by specialized personnel reduces my work time. A clear order platform makes ordering easier. Lifetime warranty for titanium and gold-shaded abutments is a safety for me and the doctors I work with. Do you have a moment now? Come with me to one place. Welcome here in beautiful sunny Mölndal, Göteborg. We are now in the factory of Dentsply Sirona. After 10 years of great cooperation, we are here to show you how the company is working and how the individual abutments of Atlantis are made, and enjoy it with us.
Hello, welcome in the manufacturer. Let's start the trip.
My name is Michael Sander. I'm heading up the business development for Dentsply Sirona implants. I'm also been heavily involved in the Atlantis evolution. So Atlantis is our major customized product approach when it comes to implant prosthesis, and it's definitely the world-leading system. It was developed roughly around 20 years ago, and we have been able to gone through quite a nice evolution. Today we have done more than 3 million abutments, 3 different locations, and we also have the widest platforms, so it's about 132 implant platforms, and it is by far the best quality aspect as well. We have the warranty aspect we do have that is world leading. So for us to have a concept like this, we are extremely proud to have it, and we are definitely a really good partner to the clinician as well as the dental laboratories.
Our journey is over. We are leaving with big amount of experience. Thanks for watching.